Many people disregard Apple Notes because it comes for free with your Mac, but Apple has made significant improvements to the app in the past couple of years. So let's dive right in and explore all the hidden features, tricks and tips for Apple Notes to help you get the most out of this note-taking app. Let's start by looking at the formatting option in Apple Notes. By default, when you start typing, the first line is automatically converted to a note's title, and you can hit enter to start the body of the note. To access formatting options, click the AA button. You can convert the typed content into headings, subheadings, body, monostyles, and list option. Simply select the text you want to format, click the AA button, and choose the format you want to apply. Here's a hidden feature that most people don't know about. You can select text and use the keyboard shortcut Command+ and Command- to increase or decrease the size of the text. Apple Notes also offer a checklist button to convert your list of items into a checklist. This feature is helpful when creating shopping or packing lists inside your Notes app. And if you enable automatic sorting of the checked items in Apple Notes settings, the checked items will automatically move to the bottom of the list. Now let's talk about organization. One of our favorite features of Apple Notes is its in-depth organization option. You can create folders to organize your notes inside them. You can also nest folders inside other folders, allowing you to create a hierarchy of folders. This is especially useful if you are managing projects or want to replicate your core structure inside Apple Notes. While folders are great, a better way to organize your notes is by using tags and smart folders. You can add multiple tags to a note, giving you more freedom when organizing notes. To see a note with a specific tag, simply click on the tag name under the tag section. You can also create smart folders that automatically pull notes containing specific tags. So whenever you create a new note with a tag, it will automatically be pulled into that smart folder. And with the latest macOS Sonoma and iOS 17 update, Apple also allows users to link notes in Apple Notes, giving you another layer of notes organization. You can view our in-depth guide on note linking by clicking on the I button or using the link in the video description. In short, you can link a note by hitting the Command K keyboard shortcut and choosing the note you want to link to. When it comes to links, Apple Notes really shines with its ability to link to other apps. For example, when browsing the web on any browser on your Mac, you can click the link button in the Apple Notes to import the link of the currently open tab. It will insert the link in a beautiful card format. When using Safari, you can highlight text on a web page and send it to Notes. It will save the exact quote you highlighted in your notes, and clicking on the quote will directly open the web page to the exact location of the quote. You can also attach links to documents in other supported apps like Ulysses or the Mail app. Here, you can see that I'm dragging and dropping an email from the Mail app. It will add the link to that specific email in the note. Clicking on the link will directly open the corresponding email. Another great feature of Apple Notes is its support for various media files. You can drag and drop images, videos, and audio files directly into your notes. This is especially helpful if you want to take notes from videos or recordings. And with the latest Sonoma and iOS 17 update, Apple has added full support for PDF files. Now you can attach PDFs to your notes and read them directly inside the Notes app. You can even use the markup tool to annotate your PDF files. Finally, let's talk about two features that can enhance your note-taking experience. The first one is the ability to pin notes. If you have important notes that you want to access all the time, you can use the Pin Notes feature to pin the note to the top. Just swipe on the note from right to left or right click on it and choose the Pin Note option. We find that this feature is great for creating table of content notes with links to all other notes, giving you a quick overview of all your notes in a folder. The second feature is the ability to lock notes. If you have notes that contain sensitive information, you can lock them to protect their contents. Just right click on a note and choose the lock note option. You can use a fingerprint or Mac login password to unlock the note and view the content. So there you have it. Apple Notes is packed with features that can help you take your note taking to the next level. With such a vast feature set, we believe that most users don't need to look anywhere else for their note taking needs. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech related content.